Let us do our final and last example. Then I give you a short exercise of practice questions. Question yatinayo yomkhoma. So I'm going to help you with this. Then you do the exercise on your own. So zvinokuitika apa ndezvekuti if you look at example number 1, you will notice panapa na 1,4 times 10 to the power minus 5 times 2,4 times 10 power 6. Chatinoita apa, we can rearrange since pano pana times. Are you noticing kuti kana paina times tinogona kurearrange asi kana paina divide hatina kurearrange? Mazviona?
Yeah.
I want you to take note there. Saka pana painenge iri 1,4 times 2,4 that times panapa unogona kutako 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power minus 5. Zvinokuipa kesvo?
Yeah.
All right. Because hazvina basa kuti wati 3 times 2 kana kuti wati 2 times 3 zvakafanana. And good. I want you to multiply 1,4 times 2,4. Toone tosvika pasame answer here. What was your
320.
answer? 3
Okay.
Better tese. All right.
Yeah.
1,4 times 2,4. Tinotanga taisa placeholder pano 0. 32 times 4 the 8. 2 times 1 the 2. Then also yakune 24 times 4 the 16 carry 1. 4 times 1 the 4 plus 1 the 5. Manamba maira wakama 8. 0 plus 6 the 6. 8 plus 5 shati 8 9 10 11 12 13 the 3 carry 1. 2 plus 1 the 3. Then toverenga number of decimal places answer arimu question 4 e1 2 kurati panapa tichatanga ku furthest right dot 1 2 pesa comma 3,36. Did you see how we got it? Okay. Saka panapa zora kuti kuno kutawana 3,36 and times panapa pachashanda ilof indis ingeri 10 to the power 6 plus minus 5. Any questions here? Kuti ndashandisa law ipi uye zvafamba sei kana kuti takutonzwisisa?
Yeah, I understand.
Kureva kuti it's 3,36 times 10 to the power takati kana plus na minus zikasangana zvinoti tachigara zviya
Minus negative.
Saka 6 minus 5 and?
Minus 5, yeah.
Right panapa tina 3,36 times 10 to the power 1. Ndizo. Do you refine one side? Why are you saying a final answer?
Yeah. Negative A is definitely between 1 and 10. And then looking at our power, it has got the sign of the bigger number because 6 will on a positive sign.
All right. So the 3.36 is between 1 and 10. I actually, that was the answer I was looking for. So this is our final answer.